So in Warren Buffett's 1958 letter, which was written in February of 1959, reviewing the year, he says, I have a friend who runs a medium-sized investment trust who recently wrote, quote, the mercurial temperament, characteristic of the American people, produced a major transformation in 1958, and exuberant would be the proper word for the stock market at least. I think this summarizes the change in psychology dominating the stock market in 1958, both at the amateur and professional levels. During the past year, almost any reason has been seized upon to justify, quote, investing in the market. There are undoubtedly more mercurially tempered people in the stock market now than for a good many years, and the duration of their stay will be limited to how long they think profits can be made quickly and effortlessly. While it is impossible to determine how long they will continue to add numbers to their ranks and thereby stimulate rising prices, I believe it is valid to say that the longer their visit, the greater the reaction from it. I make no attempt to forecast the general market. My efforts are devoted to finding undervalued securities. However, I do believe that widespread public belief in the inevitability of profits from investment in stocks will lead to eventual trouble. Should this occur, prices, but not intrinsic values, in my opinion, of even undervalued securities can be expected to be substantially affected. So, what happened? If we remember from the last letter, he said that his portfolio was representing a better value here, but he was hoping that he'd be able to acquire more shares at lower prices, and instead the market rallied over 50% in the next year, I think taking him somewhat by surprise, and him making note in the market that he makes no attempt to predict it. And what you'll see, he's saying, how long are they going to last? Well, they persisted a little bit higher after that letter. And then, of course, you got the normal pullback after some of the exuberance had worn off.